ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं भरते कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तः शान्तः शान्तिः। Sentence 143. Om Anyam Bhumshe Om Mam Vada. How do you join these two sentences by Shanich? What is a dhatu which can take the Shanish Pratyaya? There are two Kriya Padam in the sentence. One is, what is a dhatu here?
Bhuj dhatu.
Bhuj dhatu. Bhuj dhatu, is it Parasmipadi or Atmanipadi?
Atmanipadi.
Ubhayapadi.
Okay.
Sahana Bhavatu, Sahanau Bhunaktu. Here it is in Atmanipadi. Bhuj dhatu has the meaning of
Bhuj
nourishing
to.
as well as eating. Both the meanings are there. In these two meanings, Bhuj dhatu is used. But in the sense of eating, Atmanepada is used. The sense of protection, Parasmai, Pada Pratyas, that is, Bhuj dhatu is Parasmai Padidhatu, in the sense of protection. It is not Anyam, it may be a typo. It must be Annam,
Annam.
not Anyam. You are eating Annam, so Ma Vada. So Mukhya Kriya Padam is Vada, Ma Vada. Ma should be connected to Vada. Don't speak, don't talk. You who are eating Annam, Ma Vada. Don't speak. So therefore, it is a qualifying Annam. What is the Shanach Rupam of Bhuj dhatu? We have to know. Pratama Purusha Dvivachana. Bunjate, Bunjate. Bunjate, Bunjate, Bunjate. That is the Rupam of Bhuj dhatu. Bunjate, Bunjate. Therefore, Bunjana. From Annam Bunj.
Bungshmana.
Not Bungshmana. Bunjana. Annam Bunjanaha. Annam bunjanaha tvam. Bunjanaha qualifying tvam. You who are eating annam. Annam bunjanaha tvam ma vada. Don't speak. Right? Dhatu is bhuj dhatu. Seventh conjugation. The form will be like this. Bunjate, bunjate, bunjate. Te ate ate. Remember. Te ate ate. Ste ate dve. Ye vahe mahe. So ate is a so bunjate. Right?
Bunjate, bunjate, bunjate.
Bunjate, bunjate, bunjate. Yes. So te ate
Mukha,
ate.
Mukagama will not come, is it?
Book will not come seventh.
The
Yes,
Shana
sir.
Chulpa.
Then what about kurvanaha? Mukkagama will come only for
One for 16.
Adantanga.
adantanga. And for future tense also, sya adantanga, therefore mukkagama will come. This is not adantanga. For anadantanga, there is no ane muk. Mukkagama will come only for adanta anga. This is not adantanga, seventh conjugation. Therefore, it will not come. Okay.
Okay.
Anyway, for this dhatu, you have to know the form of the bunj dhatu, at latlakara form. Then you can easily find out. Replace te by na, bunjana. Kurute, kurvate, kurvate. Kurudhatu. Once we are chanting every class all these things, but now down. You know all those things. Kurute, kurvate, kurvate. Atmanepada rupam of kurudhatu, which is also obeyapadi.
So
Kurvate.
there is no difference in ekvachan and bahuvachan.
Why it is not? Is there? Ate, ate.
Ekvachan, bunjate.
So ekavachan, no, not. It is sorry. Ekavachan means not bunjate. It is bumte. I wrote it wrongly. Sorry. Because it is bungte. Chamita. Not bunjate. Bungte. Budhatu. Sorry. Bujidhatu. That nam will come and becomes bungte. Not bunjate. That's my mistake. Bungte, bunjate, bunjate. Then bungshe. That is what is here. Bungshe, bunjate, bunjadve. Bungdve. Then bunje, aham bunje, bunjmage, iti rupa. Okay. Yes. Balika shlagate. Again, shlagate, atmanepadi. That is shlag to praise. Pita modate. So, father is happy when the daughter praises. Daughter praises, if we have to say, Balika praises the father. Okay. Take like that. Otherwise, how will you connect them? Becomes a disconnected sentences, therefore join. So, Balika shlagate.
Balika Shlagamanaha. Slagamana.
Balikaya shlagamanaha
That is
pita modate.
Balikaya shlagamanaha. Shlagamanaha.
Pita.
Pita. See, not shlagamanaha. Think and answer also. It becomes karmani shanaj. So let us, I assume, balika shlagate, pita modate, pita modate, taking it as a mukhya kriya. Balika pitaram, and make like this. Pitaram shlagate, and pita is
Shlagate.
modate.
Mm.
Okay. Balika pitaram shlagate.
Mm.
Then pita modate. Pita modate, mukhya kriya. Fine. So here it becomes balikaya, suppose. Balikaya. Balikaya. Dhatu is shlag dhatu. Now here what will come? Praised by the girl. The father is happy. If you say shlagamanaha,
Slagamya.
no. Shlagamya. How is shlagamya? Balikaya shlagamanaha pita, if you say.
Okay, Slagamanin. Sorry.
Shlaga?
No, sorry.
Balikaya shlagamanaha, if you say. Pita is happy, and this also becomes the karma, the kriya of the pita. Pita is not shlagate. Pita shlagate, then you can say shlagamanaka pita. It is not pita shlagate. Okay. Therefore, it is not. If we take like this, then this become karmani shanaj. So shlagyamanaha pita balikaya, because you said balikaya.
Mm. Mm.
Shlagyamanaha pita. Modate. That is how we have to say, not shlagamanaha.
Mm.
It becomes
Yes.
pita, it becomes the object of praising for the girl.
Mm.
Or if you take the sentence in other way, the form the sentence then you can form also. But anyway, this is okay. Right? Because I changed it already. Balika pitaram shlagate. Balikaya shlagyamana. What is the object of shlaganam for the balika? Pita.
Mm.
And the object is in pratama vibhakti. Object is in pratama vibhakti. Therefore, shlagamanaha, if you say, then pita is as not doing will come. That this meaning is wrong. That will not come. Pita is one who is praised by the daughter. He is happy.
Mm.
Not daughter, balikaya, some girl. Okay. Saha kushtinam sevate. Tam akhvayatu. So call that person who serves the kushtinam.
Mm.
Kushti. So tam akhvayatu. Somebody says akhvayatu. Call that person. Tam kaha saha.
Mm.
Kushtinam. Kushtinam then.
Sevamanaha.
Seva.
Manaha.
Manam. What manaha?
Manam.
Qualifying tam,
Manam.
right?
Okay.
Tinam sevamanam tam ahvayatu. Similarly, the previous sentence also we can make like pitaram I added this pitaram. Suppose if we don't add pitaram as it was before, pita modate, balika shlagate. So we can do the pita modate, balika shlagate. Modamanaha pita. Modamanaha pita. मोदमानं पितरं
पितरं बालिका श्लाघते
बालिका श्लाघते.
Hmm.
Possible, I mean, we don't know what is the Raksha here. So, Modamanam Pitaram Balika. If you take Pitaram, then will be there. So, that meaning will become like that. Pita Modate, Modamanam Pitaram Balika Shlakate. This is taking Kartari Shanach, making the Shanach to Modama. Anyway, Raksha, you can.
Hmm.
Okay. So, similarly, next one. Ganakaha Nakshatrani Lochate. Nakshatrasthanam nirdhareti, ascertain the position of the stars. So Nakshatrasthanam. Nakshatrasthanam nirdhareti, ascertain.
गणकः निर्धारयति
Ganakaha is a karta. So Ganakaha counter. The one who counts is called Ganakaha. Nakshatrasthanam nirdharayati. Rajaji, tell what is will turn out.
Let me
Because I am doing.
Lochate, Lochamanam.
Yes. Because it is the Lochamanam. Lochamanam what? Where should I put Lochamanam?
Nakshatrasthanam, right?
Huh?
It is
Okay, tell me this.
qualifying Nakshatrasthanam.
It is not qualifying Nakshatrasthana.
By Lochamanam is they are observing the stars, right? Or they are
Observing,
counting?
they are nirdharayati, they ascertain the position of the stars. Nakshatrani lochate, they observe the stars. Observing the stars, they ascertain the position of the stars. That is the sentence. That is how the sentence should be. I myself have said, given the answer. Then how to form the sentence? Observing the stars. Ganakaha, the counter, ascertain the position of this star. What is the object of, what is the Kriya for Ganakaha? First sentence. What is the Kriya? Huh? Locha. Lochamanaha Ganakaha. Not Lochamanam Nakshatrani. I think still you have not got this.
Okay.
For which the object is Nakshatrani. Nakshatrani Lochamanaha Ganakaha is equal to Ganakaha Nakshatrani Lochate. Nakshatrasthanam nirdharayati. That is fine as it is. The object is not qualifying the object. It is qualifying the Kriya is, we are using Shanach, okay?
Okay.
Convert the Shanach into a noun qualifying the Karta or whatever, if it's Karmani Priyaha, then Karma. Tvam ma sevam kurushe yajna yashaha avapsyasi. Jyotiji, you tell.
सेवां कुर्वाणः
See, first
त्वं
understand.
यशः
First
त्वं
important.
यशः अवाप्स्यसि
Start from there. If you start from somewhere else, already you know it. Yashaha avapsyasi. Who is the Karta?
त्वं
Then
यशः सेवां कुर्वाणः त्वं यशः अवाप्स्यसि.
yes, sevam kurvanah tvam yashaha avapsyasi. Bhaktaha varam kamayate. Ajari, try. Katinam tapaha acharati. Mukhya Kriya
Bhakta-
sentences.
Bhakta varam kamayama.
First, what is this sentence? Mukhya Kriya. Bhaktaha acharati.
You're performing a penance.
Bhaktaha katinam tapaha acharati. The sentence is there. Here you have to fix in these two. Bhakta is common in both. So is a karta. Now, what will happen? What is the kriya done by the Bhakta?
They're desiring a boon. Is it?
Hmm.
Katinam.
Kamayate will qualify the Bhakta.
Bhakta.
So therefore, and varam is the karma for kamayate, the kriya. That will remain as it is. Kamayate will become,
Kamayamanaha.
that's it, simple. Nothing is there to think. Varam kamayamanaha bhaktaha katinam tapaha acharati. Simple. So many sentences we have done. So able to to understand the workshop of the sentence, what it wants to say. When the two sentences are the same karta, of course they must be have the same karta, then you can join. For other things, then accordingly you have to think and do it. So jnanavan bhuyate, tena shastram patyate.
This is karmani.
Yeah, jnanavan bhuyate.
Shastram pathyamanena
Jnanam bhuyate.
tena jnanavana bhuyate is the main kriya. Shastram pathyamanena tena jnanavana bhuyate.
Not patyamane. Shastram.
Oh, but this is patata.
Oh, no. It's that patyamana. Karmani prayava only, right? Okay. Shastram. Yes, patyamanena. Karmani only. Patyamanena tena jnanavan. Jnanavan bhuyate. So here, we'll change the sentence. This is not correct actually. I'll explain this. Tena shastram patyate. Jnanavan bhavati should be. Saha jnanavan bhavati. Jnanavan bhuyate is karmani prayoga. Then tena bhavati. Tena then must be referring to tena shastrena it will come. Otherwise. So make this as bhavati. Saha jnanavan bhavati. Otherwise, bhuyate. If we take bhuyate is karmani prayoga. Then karma is jnanavan. That person is a karma. But the person is in tritiya vibhakti here. That will not match. It will not fit in here. Then you cannot do it. Therefore, this sentence, what formed, it's not correct. Grammatically also correct. Syntactically also not correct. So, saha shastram patati jnanavan bhavati. That is what it means. So, karmani kartari will be saha shastram patati jnanavan bhavati. If you are converting everything to karmani prayoga. Patyate tena shastram patyate. Then Bhuyate, if it is there, then Jnanavan Bhuyate, it will not come. It will become
ज्ञानवान् भवति
Jnanavata Bhuyate.
तथा ज्ञानवता
Jnanavata Bhuyate. Then it will make sense.
Hmm.
That Jnanavan. Okay.
Hmm.
This within bracket. This Shastram Patati, Jnanavan Bhavati, that will be Shatru.
Hmm.
Shastram Patan Saha Jnanavan Bhavati, you can say. This is Shatranta. But we are doing Shanach. And it is in Karmani, therefore it becomes the Karmani Shanach.
Hmm.
The Jnanavata Bhuyate, you have to take. Yeah. Jnanavata Bhuyate. Then Tena is in Samanadikaranyam with Jnanavata.
ज्ञानवता
So Shastram Patyamanana Tena Jnanavata Bhuyate is correct. Think, see, the sentences what is given may not be correct. You have to think and answer. Don't jump immediately to doing it. It's not mechanical doing, thinking and doing. The sentences I took it from some website only, somewhere. So I'm not sure whether it is correct. So you have to think whether sentence is correct or not. Okay. Rajaji. Janaha tam nayakam manyante tam pujayanti. Just, okay.
It will be tam nayakam manyamanaha janaha tam pujayanti. This manyamana is qualifying janaha. So tam nayak, considering him as leader, they worship.
Tam nayakam
manyamanaha janaha.
Manyamanaha is karmani shana or kartari?
This is kartari. Pujayanti.
No, I'm not asking pujayanti. Manyamanaha I'm asking. Kartari or?
Kartari.
Kartari only, yes. Tam nayakam manyamanaha janaha tam pujayanti. Yes. Pratiyogini pratispardhayam spardate paritoshikam labate.
लभ्यते
Sorry. Paritoshi. Therefore it is karmani priyaha. Paritoshikam. Paritoshikam must be Napumsakalinga. Is it Napumsakalinga? I'm not sure. Paritoshika. I think it must be Pullinga. Okay. Not okay. Napumsakalinga. It is Napumsakalinga. Paritoshikam. So Paritoshikam, Paritoshike, Paritoshikani.
ऋषिकानि
Anyway, it's Karmani Priyaha only. Paritoshikam Labhyate. So Karmani Priyaha. And Pratiyogini Spardayam Spardate. Understanding a sentence and then translating. Okay.
स्पर्धमान्या प्रतिनोदिन्या पारितोषिकं लभ्यते
What is that? Further?
प्रतियोगिनी टेक्स्ट तृतीया नृत्या स्पर्धमानया
Spardhamanaya. Okay.
स्पर्धमानया प्रतियोगिन्या पारितोषिकं
Yeah.
and प्रतिस्पर्धायां remains as it is. So प्रतिस्पर्धायां स्पर्धमानया प्रतियोगिन्या पारितोषिकं लभ्यते.
Yes. In every sport, Pratiyogini means that the person.
So competitor.
The competitor. Right? Competitor. Spardhamanaya. Spardha is competition. Spardham, I mean competitor. The one who plays Spardhamanaya. So Spardhamana, the Tritiya qualifying Pratiyogini. Pratiyoginiya, Spardhayam, every competition, Paritoshikam, Labhyate.
Yate.
Yes. Rajaji. Yuyam Vakyani Bhashadvam. Bhashadvam, Bhash Dhatu. Atmanipadi. Anuvadam Kurudvam. You all say the sentences and do that translations. Anuvadam Kurudvam will be, that is, it will remain as it is.
Yuyam Vakyani Bhashamanaha Anuvadam Kurudvam.
Yes. Vakyani is karma to Bhasha. Therefore, you can always place it before, become easier. Vakyani Bhashamanaha Yuyam.
Bhashamanaha Yuyam.
Yuyam. Yuyam, Pratama Bhagavachanam, same. Bhashamanaha Yuyam. Anuvadam
Kurudvam.
Kurudvam. Kurute, Kurvate, Kurvate, Kurushe, Kurvate, Kurudve, Kurve, Kurvake, Kurmake. And what is Kurudvam?
This is Lot Lakara.
Lot Lakara it is. Yes. Lot Lakara.
Madhyamam Purusha.
Yes. Madhyamam Purusha, Bhagavachanam, Atmanepadiru. Right?
Yes.
Kurvatam, Kurvatam, Kurvatam. Right? The form will be like that. So, Lot Lakara form, Kurutam, Kurvatam, Kurvatam. Kurushva, Kurvatam, Kurudvam. That's what is here. Okay. Then, Mrigaha, next one. Simham Drishtva Kampate. Jatiti Davati. Kaha Davati.
Mrugaha. So Mrugaha Jatiti Dhavati.
Yes.
So Simham Drashtva Kampamanaha Mrugaha Jatiti Dhavati.
Yes. Simple ones. So, Kampamanaha. Jatiti Dhavati. Bhavati. Next one, Rajaji. Bhavati. Sankhya Manam Uhate. Samikaranasya Samadhanam Dadatu. I don't know what Sankhya. Ugate means guessing. Ugate. Uha Poha we say. Ugate.
Sankyam Uhate.
But you have to kind of understand both the sentence. Ug dhatu is vitarke, guessing. Okay.
Yes.
Bhavati sankyam, maybe, uhate, samikaranasya, for equating, give the justification. Okay. That is some math. Samikaranam is
Equation.
Samikaranam is equation. Samikaranam. Even Samikaranam is also means iron box, which is the tool which is used to make something very flat. Same. Samikaranam. Equal. Equation.
Or solution.
Yeah. Samikaranam is equation. Okay. Leveling. It's same. Samikaranam is samadhanam. You are guessing
To
at
give
the
the
number.
solution for the equation.
Yes. Yes. Samadhanam is solution. Give the solution for the equation. Bhavati sankyam must be. Okay. Not sankyam. Sankhya, Sankyaha, Sankyam number. Okay. Samikaranasi Samadhanam Dadatu, Lot Lakara Dadatu. That you take it first. Kaha, sorry, Ka Bhavati. Samikaranasya Samadhanam. Give the solution for the equation. And Bhavati qualified by
Uhamana.
Uhamana.
ऊहमाना भवति,
भवति,
काम ऊहमाना संख्याम्, संख्याम् ऊहमाना भवति, समीकरणस्य समाधानं ददातु। एते पितरौ सेवन्ते, these show the people, father, पितरौ mean father and mother, जगतः पितरौ सर्वे प्रशंसन्ति,
सर्वे
सर्वे देख,
एतान् प्रशंसन्
here in both
प्रशंसन्ति।
karta is different, therefore you can, so you can do your choice. Prashamsanti, take it as a mukhya kriya. Sarve prashamsanti, what is the object of?
एतान् प्रशंसन्ति।
Yes, so yetan if you take, then
सेवमानान्, पितरौ सेवमानान्।
yes, so vitaram sevamanan etan sarve
Sarve
prashamsati. You cut this and put it here. Or anywhere you can keep, it's not a problem, sarve. Okay, this is vitaram sevamanan etan sarve prashamsanti. Right? Okay, next sentence. Raja. Balika natakam vikshate. Vikshate means pashyati, yata sees. Each dhatu. Taya nidra krita. Taya nidra krita. Kaya
बालिकया
बालिका,
balikaya. And balikaya, therefore, balikaya nidra krita. The balika must be qualified by
वीक्षमाणय,
Viksha. Viksha what?
वीक्षमाणय,
Vikshamanaya balikaya.
हाँ,
Kam vikshamanaya. Natakam.
नाटकम्,
Natakam vikshamanaya balikaya nidra krita. Nidra kritavati. Nidra krita. Okay. Balika nidram kritavati. Okay. Okay. Arakshakaha choram gryhyate. Gryhyate. Is it correct? Gryhyate.
गृह्यन्त
Hmm?
आरक्षकाः बहुवचनं।
That's a wrong sentence. I said no.
Hmm.
Or arakshakaihi choraha gryhyate. It should be like that.
चोरः
Or arakshakaha choram gृह्णन्ति. Something. Okay. Must be like that. Okay, if it is karmani prayoga, then choraha arakshakaihi. Make like that. Arakshakaihi choraha gryhyate. Tan sarve prashamsanti. So tan sarve prashamsanti. So take that. Tan is there. You can replace tan by arakshaka. So sarve
प्रशंसन्ति
sarve
आरक्षकान्
prashamsanti. So arakshakan is arakshakan sarve prashamsanti. Kidrishaha
चोरं गृह्यमाणाः मानान् आरक्षकान्
choram comes karmani prayoga. Therefore, grigya manan. Yes. Arakshakan sarve prashamsanti. Because it is karmani, therefore grigya manan. Otherwise, arakshakaha choram grynnanti tan sarve prashamsanti. Suppose if it is like that, then suppose the sentence is arakshakaha choram grynnanti. then tan sarve prashamsanti. Then it would be tan will be again same thing. Arakshakan sarve arakshakan prashamsanti. Right? And arakshakan will be qualified by choram. Choram. Then what is the form?
It becomes Shatranta.
Shatranta. We don't want Shatranta. So replace Grinnanti. Grinnanti is Ubhayapadi Dhatu. So we don't want Shatranta. Do you want Shatranta? Already Shatranta we did, right? Don't require. So convert into now Gardhatu Ubhayapadi Dhatu. Grinnati, Grinnita, Grinnati. Grinnite, Grinnate, Grinnate also is there. So change this into Dhatu becomes Grinnate. It is now it is Atmanepadi.
So that was correct only.
Which is correct.
Oh, Grunnate, but okay.
Now Choram, you have to qualify the Arakshakan by the Shatranta Rupam of what is the Shatranta Rupam of? We have to know the Prathama Purushat Bhivachanam of Grinnate. Grinnite, Grinnate, Grinnate. So Grinnana. Grinnana is a Pratipadikam. So Grinna becomes what will happen? Grinnanan. Grinnanaha, Grinnano, Grinnanaha. Choram, Grinnanan, Arakshakan will be like that. Okay, in case of difficulty in finding out that. So the form of Grinnite, this already I taught you. Simple this is actually. Grinnite, Grinnate, ninth conjugation. Grinnate. So Grinnate, te is replaced by ana. Na. Te is replaced by na. Grinnana. That is the Pratipadikam. Decline like Rama Shabda. Raman, Gurinanan. Right. So here it is Kartari Shanaj. Gurinanan is Kartari Shanaj. Grigyamananan is Karmani Shanaj. The difference. Okay, next one. Understand, Rajaji?
Yes, Guruji.
Saha samyak kavyam adhite tasya jnanam vardate. Rajaji. Tasya jnanam vardate. Kasya? Tasya should be replaced by the first one. Jnanam vardate. Kasya?
Saha.
No, tasya. Saha saha. Then qualify the this Kartari Shashti by the Kriya Padam here. Shanaj Rupam of the Kriya Padam. What is the Kriya Padam?
Aditi.
Adite. Just copy paste. Samyak Kavyam Adite will become Adi Purvaka Ing Dhatu. So what is the form? Already we have seen Adite, Adiyate,
Here.
Adiyate. So Adiyate therefore becomes
Adiyamana.
Adiya. Tasya is there. Adiyate, Adiyana is a Pratipadikam. Therefore, qualifying Tasya.
Adhiyanasya.
Simple. Adiyanasya. Samyak kavyam adiyanasya tasya jnanam vardate. What difficulty is there? Adite is there. Adite. Adiyate. Adiyate. Replace te by na. Adiyana is a Pratipadikam. Qualifying the Karta. कर्तरि शानच् अनि कर्ता इन षष्ठी भक्ति दफादियानस्य ओके
Okay.
ताः नृत्यं कुर्वते भवती ताभ्यः पानकं ददातु तो ताभ्यः is what vibhakti
चतुर्थी संप्रदान
sampradana so
ओ
bhavati tabhyah panakam dadatu
दातु
written as it is. Now the tabhyah is the kidrishi sa that is given here. Tabhyah okay bahuvachana kidrishaha taha
नृत्यं कुर्वन्त्याः ताः
kurvantyah.
कुर्वते
What is
कुर्वन्ते
kurvantyah? Kurvante.
I mean कुर्वाणाः कुर्वाणां तां
What Jyotiji? Huh?
सा ते तां
Tinkers.
ताः सो तां नृत्यं कुर्वन्ति
Is it not qualifying tabhyah? Kurvana is a
yes
pratipadika. Kurvanebhyah tabhyah.
oh sorry yes
You are trying to do fast and doing mistake. You're not thinking.
yes
You want to do jati kartum ichchati. That's a problem. That will not work. Think so.
yes
Tabhyah is there, which is in Chaturthi. Kurvana, the pratipadikam is not. Kurvanebhyah. So no. Only you two are there. Nobody will take your slot. You can do slowly. Think and do.
yes
Raja. छात्राः प्रथमस्थानस्य प्रथमस्थानाय स्पर्धन्ते तेषु कः प्रथमस्थानं प्राप्नुयात् तेषु is there just copy paste तेषु कः प्रथमस्थानं प्राप्नुयात् तेषु replace तेषु by proper noun which is given this first sentence
छात्रः
छात्रेषु
okay
not chatraha.
Okay yeah
You have to convert that into a corresponding vibhakti teshu chatreshu then
issue
complete.
so spardhanti spardhamana
Prathama sthanaya, that is chaturthi, for gaining the first place. That remains as it is.
That remains as it. So spardhanti will become spardhamana, then
Spardhamana.
Spardhamaneshu.
Yes, spardhamaneshu, convert into respective vibhakti, qualifying chatreshu.
Chatreshu.
Spardhamaneshu chatreshu kaha pratamasthanam prapnuyat. कपयः वृक्षेषु कूर्दन्ते भवती तान् वीक्षताम् भवती तान् वीक्षताम् कान्
कपीन् वीक्षत
replace तान् by कपीन् and वृक्षेषु अधिकरण for the
कूर्दमानान् कपीन् वृक्षेषु कूर्दमान्
so therefore कूर्दमानान् qualifying कपीन् वृष्टिः नितरां वर्धते राजाजी वृष्टिः नितरां वर्धते तस्यां मा क्रीडत तस्यां वृष्टि is like pati shabda vrishtyam just making it and I might writing it then you can complete then
so vardhamanayam
yes Yes. Vardhamana Srilinga. And this is Vrishtyam Saptami. Therefore, Vardhamanayam Vrishtyam. Nitaram Vardhamanayam. Vrishtyam Ma Kridata. Shishuhu. Okay. Talpe Shete. Tam Ma Jagarayata.
What is talpe?
Talpa is the couch, that is. Talpe Shete. So tam ma jagarayata, tam is
Shishum.
shishum. Jagarayata lot lakara. Jagar. Don't cause him to wake up causative. Shishum. Then Shishu is qualified by Shete, Shayate, Sherate. That is the form.
So Shayanam Shishum.
Yes. Shete, Shayate, Sherate. Therefore, Shayanam. Shayate is the form. Shayanam, Shishum, ma jagarayata. Simple one. Yuddhan Bhiravaha, Biruhu, Palayante. Tesham Ananam na Shreyase.
Yes, ma'am.
What is Biruhu?
Cowards.
Covered, sir.
Biruhu is a Kradanta, yes. That is also Kradanta only. Biruhu, yes. So Tesham, replace Tesham by
Bhira. Biru.
Tesham.
Guru.
Yeah, what is the word?
Biru.
Shashti Bhakti of Biru.
Biru. Guru. Oh, okay.
Hmm.
Guru Nam.
Birunam.
Biru.
Birunam Ananam na Shreyase. What is Shreyase?
Kill.
Huh?
Killing, sir.
Is not good.
What is the
Not good
Dhatu?
to-
Shreyase is in Kriyapadam.
No. Yes, it is.
Ananam Nakshis.
No, Shreyase is in Kriyapadam or no? You have to Tesham Ananam Shreyase na Bhavati.
Hmm.
You have to supply Shreyase Chaturthi Bhakti. Shreyas. This is Pradipadika. Shreyaha, Shreya. It comes Shreyan, Shreyam, so Shreyam Saha. Shreyan, Shreyam, so Shreyam Saha. Shreyam Som, Shreyam so Shreyasaha, Shreyasa. Shreyobhyam, Shreyobhiki, Shreyase. Dhatu, this is not a dhatu, it is Shreyas Shabda, Sakaranta Shabda, Chaturthi Bhakti, Shreyase. Tesham Ananam Shreyase na Bhavati, to supply Bhavati. It's not the dhatu, it says, there is no such thing at all. Tesham Ananam Shreyas, na Shreyase Bhavati. No, here, Yuddhat Bhiravaha Palayante. So, Palayante will become
Palayamana.
Palaya.
hmm,
Biru Nam, right? So Palayana.
Palayante.
Palayamana.
Rajaji will tell. Palayante. Tell Raja.
Palayana. Right? Biru Nam.
Pala is the Upasarga. Okay. Pala is the Upasarga. Dhatu is Aidhatu. Ayate, Ayete, Ayante. First conjugation. What is the Chana Churupam?
Can you just repeat Guru?
Dhatu is Aidhatu. Aigato, first conjugation. First conjugation is Adantanga. There is no problem. Therefore, Ayate will become Ayamana.
Ayamana.
Therefore, Pala Upasarga. Therefore, Palayamana. And Shashti Bhakti here. Therefore,
Palayamana.
पलायमानानां पलायमाना नाम भीरूणां हननं श्रेयसे न भवति. ना you can place it here. माता पुत्रं प्रतीक्षते. प्रतीक्षते प्रतीक्षां करोति कुर्वते. तस्याः मुखे उत्कण्ठा दृश्यते. उत्कण्ठा मीनिंग
eagerness.
तस्याः मुखे, yes. उत्कण्ठा दृश्यते. मुखे, in the face, there is a utkanta, there's a longing, eagerness. Okay. Tasyaha, that take it as it is. Tasyaha mukhe. Kasyaha tasyaha means what is the answer should be given?
Mataya.
Mataya. Kasyaha.
Shashti. Mata.
Tell me kasyaha. Shashti Bhakti of Matra Shabda I'm asking. Kasyaha means the answer should be accordingly, not Mata.
Matoho mukhe.
Matuhu. Yes. Tasyaha means you have to say Matuhu. Okay. Do not give the Pratama Bhakti answer. Tasyaha Matuhu. Okay, Utkanta Drishyate. Then Matuhu qualified by?
Pratikshamanaya.
Yes. Pratiksha. Again, Manaya and Allah. Think and say. Pratiksha. What is the answer? Pratiksha?
Pratikshamanayaha.
Yes. Pratiksha Manayaha. Pratiksha Mana is a Pratipadikam. Pratiksha Manayaha Matuhu Mukhe Utkanta Drishyate.
Drishyate.
Rajaji. Durjanaha Vratha Vivadante. They argue useless. Futile argument. Tebhyaha Duram Gachata. Go away from them. So Tebhyaha Duram Gachata. Kebhyaha.
Durjana.
No. Just now I said you should not give Pratama Bhakti answer. That is not correct. Kebhyaha Duram Gachata. Replace it by proper noun. And the same vibhakti you have to answer. Tebhyaha Duram Gachataha. Kebhyaha. I am not asking Kete. I am asking Kebhyaha. It's not a difficult question. Huh? Durjanebhyaha. Simple. Durjanebhyaha Duram Gachata. Kebhyaha answer should be Durjanebhyaha. That is what is given, right? Durjanebhyaha Duram Gachata. Is it difficult to think, huh? Rajaji. Kebhyaha, what is the answer? Te is a pronoun. And here proper noun is there. Replace a pronoun by a proper noun. Simple. And Vivadante. Dhatu is, what is a dhatu? What is a dhatu, Jyotiji?
Is it V upasarga and vad dhatu?
Vad dhatu. V upasarga vad dhatu. Vad dhatu is Udayapadi. Vadate, vadete, vadante is there. So Vivadante. So therefore, Rajaji, what is the answer now?
Vivada Manebhyaha.
Yes. Vivada Manebhyaha. It is in first. That is first conjugation. Adantanga. Therefore, Mukkagama. Vivada Manebhyaha Durjanebhyaha Duram Gachata. What vibhakti is Bhyaha? Rajaji, you tell. Tebhyaha Durjanebhyaha Vivadamanebhyaha. What vibhakti? Huh?
Chaturthi.
It cannot be Chaturthi. It is not Chaturthi. How can be Chaturthi?
Or Panch.
Not or and all, I should not say. What vibhakti, that should be very categorical. This or that only. There is no choice.
Okay.
We have forms,
Chaturthi
doesn't
means
mean we
for,
have
okay.
choice. In this
Okay, okay.
context, what vibhakti is that in this year?
From, so it should be Panch.
Not from and all. I never taught like that. Never teach also from and on. No, that's not the correct way of understanding. Panchami vibhakti is, it's okay. From is okay, but should not think in that angle. Otherwise, you will go wrong. Many places will, we have some prepositions like that, it will go wrong.
Hmm.
What is the answer? Jyotiji.
Away, going away.
What vibhakti is it?
Panchami, apadana.
Apadana panchami. Apadana means that which is stationary, from which something, from that you, from that place, from that you move away. So that is called apadana. That from which you move away, or a thing moves away. That is called apadana. That from which you move away, or the motion takes place, a movement takes place. So here, Duram Gachatam, you move away, you all move away, go away. From whom? What is that from you move away? You all get away. That is apadana te durjana. That's why durjana is apadana panchami. Cannot be chaturthi. Chaturthi, of course, cannot be. Here, chaturthi is, it's, to be chaturthi, it is sampradana. It's not. Apadana panchami. Ramaha Gramad graham gacchati. Goes to the village. From Gramad graham gacchati. Grama is apadana. He moves away from the village and reaches the house. From where the displacement takes place, that is apadana. Okay. Te vakyani, okay, Jyotiji. Te vakyani samyak prayunjate. Tebhyah kim dadani. Dadani is what lakara? What is dadani? What lakara dadani is?
Dadani.
All those things we have done. Ani, ava, ama.
Ama, it is lot.
Lot lakara. Which purusha, which vachanam?
It is ekvachanam. Prathama purusha Uttama purusha ekvachanam.
Aham
Ekvachanam.
dadani. Shall I give? What shall I give? What I may give? Aham is understood. So, tebhyah kim dadani. Kebhyah
प्रयुञ्जानेभ्यः वाक्यानि सम्यक् प्रयुञ्जानेभ्यः किं ददामि?
वाक्यानि सम्यक् युजुदातु. युञ्जते बहुवचनं. युङ्क्ते युञ्जाते युञ्जते. Therefore,
युञ्जानेभ्यः
युञ्जाने भ्यः. वाक्यानि सम्यक् युञ्जानेभ्यः तेभ्यः किं ददामि? What may I give? What shall I give? Next one, Raja. Yashoda Krishnam alokate tam gopyah ahvayanti. Not ahvayanti type. Ahvayanti. Who is the karta here?
Gopi.
Not Tom, it should be Tam. That is, you have to see the mistake also. Gopi, Gopyo, Gopyaha Ahvayanti. Gopyaha is the karta.
Yes.
Like Nadi, Nadyo, Nadyaha. Ahvayanti means call. Whom did they call? Tam. Who is a Tam? Tam
Yashoda.
is Krishnam, not Yashoda.
Okay, sir.
Yashoda, alokate means sees, seeing, pashyati, alokanam, lokru, seeing. So lokate, Yashoda Krishnam pashyati. Simple. So, so therefore Yashoda Krishnam pashyati, tam Krishnam gopyaha khvayanti. So Yashoda now, gopyaha is, here we have two karta, two different. Therefore you have to think and then do the changes. One sentence you have to make it as a karmani, then only it will fit. Gopyaha ahvayanti. If you keep gopyaha as the karta, ahvayanti, it's okay. Krishna is the object. And Krishna is the object. And Yashoda is the karta. Right?
If we become Tam by Tam, Yashodam, then it becomes simpler.
Sorry?
Tam
Yashodam.
Gopya. If we say that Tam Gopya, so Yashodam Gopya Avayanti, then it becomes simpler.
Yeah, that's good. That's correct. In fact, that is why I think Tam is that. Yes, that's right. Yashoda Krishnam alokate Tam, that is Yashodam Gopyaha Agvayati. I think that's what is correct. Yes, you're right. Make it like that. Okay. That's what it means actually. So Yashodam. Gopyaha Yashodam. Now it is simple. So Tam means calm. Yashodam. So Gopi calls the Yashoda. And Yashoda is qualified by what? Rajaji.
Alokati.
Aloka, then what? Alokamanam. Alokamana is Yashoda. Whom does he see? Krishnam. Krishnam alokamanam Yashodam Gopyaha apayanti. This is correct. Instead of Tam, if you take Tam, then this becomes Karmani Prayoga. Karmani Shanachar. Of course, the meaning will change.
Yashodaya.
If we use it, if it's Yashodaya, then Alokamanaya.
Here it is, if it is Tam. If it is not Tam, that's what she says. If it is Tam, if it is Krishnam, then Yashodaya Alokyamanam Krishnam Gopyaha Akhvayanti. Sentence will become like that. But that is not the meaning here, intended meaning. Here it is Tam only. So Gopi calls the Yashoda, not the Krishna. Therefore, this is correct. Okay. Te gurum adriyante. Teshu utsagaha drishyate. Keshu is not given.
Shishi.
You can assume Shishi. Teshu utsagaha. Karmani prayoga drishyate. Teshu must be qualified by
Gurum Adriyamaneshu.
आद्रियमानेषु तेषु
तेषु
सिंपल उत्साहः दृश्यते सैनिकाः धैर्येण युध्यन्ते धैर्येण bravely when it we can take this Karana Tritiya also तैः देशः रक्षितः कैः
सैनिकैः
सैनिकैः Raja you have to tell देशः is protected by the Sainikas. Then if the Sainikaihi is qualified by युध्यमानैः सैनिकैः धैर्येण युध्यमानैः सैनिकैः देशः रक्षितः ताः सत्यम् एव ब्रुवते ब्रू धातु which is second conjugation ब्रुवान तासु सर्वे स्निग्ध्यन्ति तासु only सर्वे स्निग्ध्यन्ति they love
सत्यमेव ब्रुवाणेषु
सत्यमेव
ब्रुवाणेषु
yes सत्यमेव ब्रुवाणेषु nothing happens or not
ब्रुवाणासु विस्ताः
yes ब्रुवाणासु Srilinga nothing happens yes or no
yes
nothing happens because permissible letters are there ब्रुवाणासु तासु निरीक्षकाः परीक्षां निरीक्षन्ते एग्जामिनर तेभ्यः छात्राः बिभ्यति केभ्यः छात्राः बिभ्यति is the sentence the students are afraid केभ्यः निरीक्षी काभ्यः और केभ्यः okay निरीक्षी केभ्यः from this is also apadana from whom a person it's afraid of that is also apadana then disqualified by the shatranta shanachanta pariksham ikshante nirikshe not nirikshebhyah then what is shatranta shanachanta nirikshebhyah is there any word nirikshebhyah
no okay nirikshanebhyah is it
nirikshanebhyah nirikshakebhyah nebhyah are we doing shanach or something else
no okay sorry yeah
I don't know how you think you have to in the class or not in the class, right?
No I took nirikshan okay so
it is atmanepadi how can you take nirikshan nirikshamanebhyah nirikshante nirpurvaka ikshidatu atmanepadi should it be manadan निरीक्षमानेभ्यः निरीक्षिकेभ्यः छात्राः बिभ्यति ओके युवकः वृद्धान् सेवते तस्याः साहाय्यं कुर्मः what
पुरुष बहुवचन
what lakara is that vayam it's understood तस्य साहाय्यं कुर्मः कस्य
युवकस्य
yes तस्य युवकस्य साहाय्यं वयं कुर्मः कीदृशः युवकः कीदृशस्य युवकस्य
वृद्धान् सेवमानस्य युवकस्य
Yes. Vruddhan sevamanasya yukasya sahayam kurmaha. Akashe nakshatrani dyotante. Rajaji, dyotante means prakashante, shobante, shines in the sky.
Shines.
Tani balaha vikshante. So, Tani is Kani. Balaha vikshante means balas they see.
Yes.
Kani Tani. What is that? What are they?
We are looking at
Nakshat,
the sun. Nakshatran.
Nakshatrani. And Nakshatrani now is what Vibhakti Nakshatrani is. Balaha Nakshatrani vikshante.
Bahuvachanam prathama.
What Vibhakti?
Bahuvachanam.
Bhagavachanam fine. What Vibhakti?
Prathama.
If it Pratama Vibhakti, is it Karta then? Nakshatra sees Bala or Bala sees Nakshatra? Nakshatra sees Bala or Bala sees Nakshatra?
Okay.
Children,
Okay. So, sorry, yeah. So, Dvitiya Bhakti Bahuvachanam.
it is Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam.
Yeah.
Akashe, now Nakshatrani is qualified by the Shanacharupam of the verb Jyotante.
Dyotamanani.
Jyotamanani Nakshatrani. Balaha Vikshante. Akashe Jyotamanani. The stars which shine in the sky, the balas, the boys see. The boys see the star shining in the sky. Sa nitaram kidyate. Kidyate means afflicted. Tam sakhyaha satvayanti. Satvayanti means specifying, cajoling, consoles. So tam sakhi sakhyo sakhyaha. Bhagavachan Adi Shabdat. Satvayanti. And tam is qualified by
Khidyamanam tam nitaram khidyamanam tam sakhyah satvayanti.
Vidya Manam. This is which conjugation? Kidyate.
Fourth.
Yes. It's Kartari Prayoga only.
Mm.
Question is there. So it looks like Karmani and Kartari form is same thing here also. Kidyamana, Kidyamanam, Tam. Sainikaha Yudhyate. Sainikaha Jayate. Simple one. Raja.
Yudyamanaha Sainikaha Jayat.
Yes. Vidyamanaha Sainikaha
Jayat.
Yati. Balaha Modante Snanti.
Guruji?
Modamanah balakah snanti.
What is it, Rajaji?
Guruji, we have Veda Parayanam at our home at 8 o'clock, Guruji. So, if you don't mind, can we stop now?
Yes. I'll stop.
Sorry about that.
Up to 180. Kanya Lajate. Kanya Palam Dadati. Do you chant also Veda?
No.
Then you engage some priest?
Yeah. Every month we are doing
How many priests will come?
4 priests.
What do they chant?
They will do one shaka. They will chant. In each month,
Do you ask them what shaka, what did they chant? What purpose?
Yeah.
What is the?
So it is basically Mahapariva has told we should do Veda Samrakshanam. As a part of that, we are about 7 people. We are doing it every month. So each month, one Veda they will chant.
In your house, or I mean each they will do in different.
In 7 houses, so 7 people. No?
So okay. So
they'll complete one shaka. That's 7 days.
Oh, is it every day or weekly only?
Every day, 7 days throughout.
Oh, it's 1 week. It's round.
Uh, uh.
Okay, okay. Okay, nice.
So we have been doing it for the last.
What Yajurveda?
Every month one Veda. So this month it is Rig Veda.
Oh, every within they would
So
be able to
Chaturveda.
complete that. Complete Veda in 1 month.
Chaturveda. So I think only Yajurveda is very longest, right? So as you know, so yeah, that they will chant only few shakas, but over a period of a year they will complete.
Uh,
Right. So
okay,
4
very good.
Vedas.
And for them, Bhojanam also is there.
Yeah.
So how long it will
So
go?
you go for 3.5 hours. So after that, there will be lunch. So
Okay.
that's the reason, Guruji. We have to get that
Okay.
ready.
Yes, we'll stop here. We'll continue in the next class. 178. Okay.
Thank you, Guruji.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyawad, Guruji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Dhanyavadah.